Ready? Start. And score out. Marigold House boys. Look front and make a line straight. Good boy. Little bit from this side. Yes. Don't get it for his goal song. Sing together. Start. Everyone sing together in order. And score up. Inside. And so. Up. Side. Down. Stand it. Attention. Stand it. Attention. Now stand forward in body speech.
Respected teachers, and my lovely friends, today I'm in front of you to start and sweet speech about Constitution Day. Constitution Day is celebrated in Nepal and many countries. It is celebrated in September 20. It is marked on 2015. Thank you and have a nice day.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all, respected Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Visakha Tamang from grade 8 standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of leadership skills. Now my topic goes like this: leadership skills. Leadership is an essential skill that influences our future and interaction. It involves the ability to guide, inspire and influence others towards a common goal or aim effectively. Leadership is not only just about authority, but it's actually about some essential qualities of good leaders like communication, empathy, and many more. Various leadership styles such as democratic and transformation allows leaders to adapt different situations. In schools, leadership play a crucial role on students as it helps in enhancing voluntary activities, enhancing group work performance, and many more. By saying this much, I'd like to conclude my speech. Thank you and have a nice day.
Namaskar and good morning to you all, honorable principal sir, vice principal sir, teacher, brothers and sisters, and my dear friends. As you all wish me so much importance from grade 8, standing here to deliver a short and sweet discussion on the topic of importance of reading books. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the organizer who has organized this type of program which has increased the confidence of the stage. Now my topic goes like this: importance of reading books. Reading in and says knowledge, expands reason, and cultivates critical thinking, communication skills, and empathy. Reading promotes focus and preservations as it requires sustained attention and engage with the text. Reading books is a very good habit and play a very important role in everyone's life. Reading books can also improve our memory power, reduce stress, and increase our mental health. It enriches vocabulary and provide new ideas and communication skills. First, books are the mystery of human creativity. Without the books, life is impossible. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you all the speakers for your wonderful speech. Hands cover up. Inside. Hands up. Clap. Inside. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Okay, so to provide some information, I'd like to welcome our Vice Principal sir. Put your hands together, welcome you on this stage. Thank you very much, Samtu sir. Cover up. Side. Up. Clap. You are clapping for your gentleman, not for others. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Is there rhythmic sound? Attention. Stand at ease. Again, no. Same rhythm. Attention. Cover up. Side. Up. Side. Down. Stand at ease. Okay. So, we have already started our extracurricular activities. Next week, there will be Nepali handwriting competition. So those students who are having outstanding handwriting pattern, they can take part in it. And those students will be sent for inter-school competition or inter-province competition also. Very soon such type of competition is going to be held. That's why you can improve your handwriting pattern. If you have got long hair, please trim tomorrow and come on Sunday. If dress is torn, if it has become short, some of the children's trousers are very short, zippers are damaged, so you have to repair or get new one. And focus for study. If you have got taken part in some games, on the particular day, you can bring your playing items and play in the supervision of the game's teacher. And some of the students are not showing the diary to their guardians. There are many complaints, and their guardians also they don't know. If the guardians they have got some complaints, they can write in the diary and bring it and show it to the concerned teacher. Diaries must be signed regularly. Recently your evaluation test was over. Now you have to be focused for your first term examination. Syllabus is already provided to you. Hope you have pasted in your home and follow accordingly. Now the classes are going smoothly. Homework, classwork, online homework, everything must be followed. And you will get project work as well. Now, your continuous assessment system will contain some project works. If you are able to submit, you will get the marks. Otherwise, marks will not be provided to you. So subject teachers will give you some tasks, and on a specific day, you have to submit. And you have to present in the smart board also. You will get marks for presentation as well as project work. There are smart boards in each class. Your smart activity must be performed over there. There is complaint about class 4 students. Their shoes are quite dirty. Our school ground is quite neat and clean. Why do they make dirty? Especially class 4, be careful. There must not be complaint from your guardians about the shoes. Attention, cover up, and side, up, clap. Together, and side, hands down. Stand at it. Attention, march time. Okay. Will you maintain your zipper?